it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. I know I said I was going to be doing my unbaggings on like my Instagram, but we're here. We have, I think it's March. I know it's the last day of March, so it's super late, but March Ipsy and March Sephora Play. I'm just gonna unbox them at the same time. I'm not gonna do, thank you ma'am, the reviews that I normally do. I'm just gonna unbox them. If you really want the reviews, you know, stick around and see if they show up in empties, because that's the only way that I'll really know, because I found myself just doing like twice the amount of the same stuff. Yeah. No, that is not for kitties to rub their faces on. No, it's not, ma'am. Alright, so Ipsy, March Ipsy. This is such a cute bag. Like, it's super great for springtime. It's like rose gold everywhere and butterflies, and you might see my bedroom door move. Both my windows are open, and the sliding doors in our, like in the front room, are open, so wind does sometimes move that door. Every now and then someone is like, oh, your room's haunted. I'm like, no, it's literally just the wind. And they get mad when I close that door, so, you know, you do, don't you? Little man not too long ago got stuck in the bathroom with me, and like, no, that is not for you. He started crying. I'm like, did you forget that I'm here? Can you not? Thank you. You're gonna move everything. Okay, so the theme is stop. Life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. So it's a social butterfly, which is, I guess, why it's butterflies. I totally opened this and looked at all this stuff, and now I don't remember because I planned to like do this and then forgot. So this is Filorga Mezzo Mask. It's a smoothing radiance mask. It's actually like really, I was about to say it's decently sized. It's supposed to be half an ounce, which I guess it probably is because it's only like filled halfway. I just noticed holding it up to the light. It's only like halfway filled. But you know, that's not a terrible thing. It's a mask. Brush, which I do love getting brushes. This is from Firma Beauty. It's their number 202. It's that like puffy, angled. I like using these to like set my primer, or a lot of times I'll do like one shadow or like, you know, two shadow kind of looks where you take the one color and you do like lid and then you blend it up into your crease. These are good for that. I have a few of these now. Most of them are from Ipsy. I'm not mad. Doesn't feel super sturdy, doesn't feel super cheap, kind of feels in between. I've never heard of Firma Beauty, but it says it on here that it is made in China, so at least their brushes are made in China. I don't think I'm gonna like this. This is from Way Hair Care. This is a finishing cream, and it's a half ounce, and it's a lot. So like, both of these are supposed to be a half ounce. I mean, I know this is like shorter and fatter, and this is taller and skinnier, but like, I don't know. I just don't like the scent of anything Way. Their products are probably fine, but the scent is just so much. This is something that I'll probably be getting rid of. I have a feeling that I might be ending my subscription boxes soon. Just money, and they haven't really stopped me from buying things, which was kind of the point, I thought, to begin with. And yeah, I get to try new things, but hardly ever am I finding myself like finding those gems that I need to purchase and have full size. You know, I'm just not. And this is something that I opened and is kind of cool. It's from Ciate, London. It's a Starstruck liner. One side is an eyeliner, just like a regular like felt tip, and like, we probably know I don't wear winged liner. And but then the other side, which is kind of cool, it's like a little star stamp. I doubt you saw it, but like, it's just a little stamp. I kind of want to play with it, but I probably won't use the lighter side much. Maybe I will. I don't know. I put this all over my hand the day I got it, and then now I forget how it actually performs. This is a bronzer in the shade Bora Bora from the brand Paula Dorf. It is also made in China. It is a bronzer with 2.1 grams. I don't need this. I have plenty of bronzer. It looks like it's a bronzer. You probably won't be able to tell. but it's a bronzer with a bit of a sheen. Let's see if I turn on this light. Nope, it's not plugged in, so I can't turn on that light. But it's a bronzer with a bit of sheen, I can tell in the light. Haven't swatched it. I think I'm gonna give this away. Yes, I could use it as an eyeshadow, but I have plenty of brown eyeshadows, and just like looking at this, I don't think it's gonna, like, it's gonna work fine on me, but I feel like it's not gonna be what I really want to have on my face. Like, not because of the little sheen in it, but just like the color. I don't know, it's not quite right, so I think I'm gonna pass this on. Like, so, see, look, there's already 2 things out of here that I'm getting rid of, and that's all of them. So I'm sure I'll like the brush. This mask, I need to get back into like using my masks more. I just kind of have been washing my face and like cleansing it again, and then skin like toner and moisturizer, not going for masks. Just been lazy. I need to use more masks because sure, why can't I be smoothed and radianced? I would love that. And then I do want to play with this because I don't have any liquid eyeliner because I never freaking wear it. And then this brush, I love these brushes. These are always super fun brushes. Super fun. But they're useful brushes, at least. And I can have a few of them, and I don't mind having a few of them. But I think I'm going to get past this on because I just can't stand the scent of anything way. And I don't need a bronzer quite in this shade. Yes, I could use it up, but I have so many already. I don't need another one. Anyway, that was Ipsy in March. Here is Sephora in March. This one came super late as well. The fragrance is Miu Miu L'Eau Rosé, so it's, you know, it's rose water. I think I sprayed this and it was way too rose scented for me. So I think this is a product that I will pass on to people who could use it more. Namely people who like rose scented things more. I like rose scented things, but not when it's like punchy in the face rose. I'm just like, please stop smothering me with this flower. Like, cause real roses, like they smell so good, like they're light and delicate, and you're just like, ah. But then all these companies are like, let's make it rose scented, and you're like, yes, please. Maybe a teensy more intense than like natural roses, so I can truly smell it. But they go, okay, teensy bit more, how about like 1,000 times more scented? And you're like, please no. I can't smell anything else. My nose is broken. Thank you. What is this? Okay. This, I opened all of these already. This actually something interesting. This is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine. It's their new Ultra Cushion lip glosses. Open. This one is in the shade Spool SPL. They circled it for me. There are 20 addictive shades. I tried this on, and now I can't get it out of here. Well, packaging. I'm not gonna put it on over this because I don't want it to intermingle. But you know, they show their list of shades, and it's normal shades like pinkies and berries and nudes and a gold one apparently, which actually looks kind of fun. The rest are like normal colors. Spool, I don't know, that's supposed to be special. It's literally just SPL. Spool. Ultra Gloss Ultra Dew. But I'll do a swatchy poo. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. Yeah, you kind of can. It's pink, but it's mostly just like glittery and like, it's actually really pretty on the lips. So like there's a doe foot, you know, but like, so you get the true pink to come across. It's not so much pink. It actually smells really good. But see, like there it is. Can you see the like pinkness and then like the glitteriness? I actually really like how it feels on the lips. I think it kind of, like the glitter kind of settled in my lip lines. But like if I wear it for just a video or something, I'm gonna be opposed. That's what I've noticed about glosses. I've been trying to wear the ones that I have a bit more recently, and they just travel outside of my lips. Same with like glossier lipsticks even. Like not just creams, but like glossier ones. They just like travel or they settle, and I'm like, why? Who wants this? And I have put lip gloss over a lipstick because again, I'm trying to use them up. And it looks beautiful for like the first while, and then like as I talk and do stuff, it like moves out and settles in lines, and it just looks like a disaster by the end. Someone's having a time in the litter box, and it just like, I don't want that. So I'm not entirely sure. Okay, this I opened, and this is a disaster. I've gotten this before, but it was in an Ipsy bag, so I can't really blame Sephora. This is It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed, which I do really like this powder, except what happened, somehow in here, I have 2 little discs of powder, which you may think, great, except like, they're shattered, because one had a pan and the other didn't. It's just like, must have flopped in, like on the factory line or something. So I have, like, there's like, it's shattered in there. So I'm really upset because I actually really do like this powder, and I was going to buy it during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So I'm kind of glad that I have it here, but then I'm also sad because it's not pressed. It's already super powdery, but like it's shattered. I don't understand. I am kind of glad I have double the amount of product, but I'm sad that it's shattered because that's terrible. Anyway, this is Pure Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. I'll try it. It probably has a seal on it. Yeah, I'll try it. I have a few primers, and I don't really need mattifying complexion perfector. I mean, I do need my complexion perfected, but whenever I read the words complexion perfector, I think like Benefit Professional, like where it's gonna fill your pores. So I'll try it. And it says for all skin types. Applying all over face, focusing on pores, fine lines, and imperfections. So it makes me think that it's like a pore filling / line filling type of primer. But it is a 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils. I'll give it a shot. We'll try it. IDK. What else is in here? Ooh, yeah, kind of interesting. This is from Makeup Forever, and it is their Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen, which is SPF 25. And this is the shade 06. So it seems like maybe Makeup Forever is coming out with a new BB cream type of product, because this says skin tint. So it's not like a full coverage. Ugh. Not that their other foundation, the Ultra HD or whatever, is like high coverage. But it seems as though this is much more of a BB cream type of product. There might be a bit dark. I think it's a bit dark for me. But if it is a BB cream, then I don't really need to worry about that a ton. Yeah, it's dark for me. And I always see all these YouTube videos and I'm like, oh, it's my summer shade or it's my spring shade. And I'm like, I don't change shades. I don't tan. I mean, I blended it on the hand. You can't really tell. It's between the eyeliner and the lip gloss. Okay, you can kind of tell like here to here where I didn't put any. Like this is like my normal hand. That's the product. But it seems like it's a BB cream and I could probably... Ma'am, do you mind? Do you mind? Can I finish? No. Tis my life. Anyway. Can I, no, I can't finish? Ginge, can I finish? Yes? What? Hey, baby. Yes? Why are you so fluffy? Why are you fluffy? Come here. Yeah, come here. Join me, darling. No, stay. Oh my God. Don't leave me. No, stay with, ow! Ow! Ow, that hurt my boob. Ow. Ginger, that was rude. Anyway, BB cream, interesting enough. I don't have any BB cream at the moment, so I'll definitely use that in the summer. Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. This one also I'm not kind of sure about. It just smells strong. Give me, open. But I don't really know what this smells like. Maybe lotus flower, but kind of smells like cucumber. But like not like super nice cucumber, like really strong cucumber. But yeah, just apply a generous layer using circular motions. Let work for 5 minutes, and then add warm water, and then massage, and then rinse. Can be used 2 to 3 times a week. So, you know, it's a mask. I will probably get rid of the box, but I'll use this. So, out of the Sephora ones, yeah, I kind of like the Sephora ones more. I'm not too sure about this. I'm not too sure about this. So 2 of them I'm not gonna get rid of, but well, I might get rid of this one eventually, but I'll try it at least first. The lip gloss and the BB cream are for sure gonna be used. The perfume is just not a scent for me, and this I like, but I'm just sad that it's broken. Yeah, that concludes this portion of this evening's activities. I do have a few more videos planned for this evening. You'll see this, you'll probably see this in the next video because I am filming my 2-month empties because I haven't done an empties video in 2 months. Alright everyone, I will see you in a few. Have a good day, have a good week. Go to bed early and drink a lot of water. And as always, go pet a cat.